Hey Goa, mojo istimo samche bawano boinano and my beautiful people across the globe. I know your heart and soul is in Goa and you all must be wondering what's happening in Goa right now. Yes, it's a season time and beautiful moment and beautiful climate is happening. This beautiful sunrise and look where am I right now? હું येला हांव तुमकां स्पेशल स्पेसिफीक गजाल सांगूंक येला. काल हांवें न्यूज वाचलो. गोवा फावंडेशन क्लॉड आल्वारीस हो काब्राल म्हणटा हूंय हो लोकांक गुमराह कोत्ता. वॉट इज द गुमराह? ही इज मेकिंग पीपल कन्फ्यूज बिकॉज क्लॉड फाउंड चारकोल. सो आय जस्ट ट्राय to go inside in Goa Foundation. I know most of the people across the globe know what is Goa Foundation but don't know how they exist and how they are, and this is what I wanted to show you all. I'm just walking towards the place and I'll ask for permission. Hi Rina. Sir is there? Yes. Poila ye Clodache office. हॅलो सर. सर आय एम सॉरी तुका सांगना आसतना हो भितर येयलो म्हणून. सर कित्याक हें सद्याक म्हज्या काळजाक खूब लागलें काल. कित्याक ओके हांवूय मातसो कॅमेरा लावं सर. हो कॅमेरा लायता मातसो सो दॅट लोकांक म्हाकाय पळोवन न्ही. हय सर थँक्यू. ह्यो बसो मातसो बसता. सो टॉपिक हो सर हांव बिश्टो वयतालो आनी काल राती हांवें पळयलें की आमचो मिनिस्टर काब्राल म्हणटा तूं लोकांक गुमराह कोत्ता हूंय कोल आनी चारकोला भितर. आनी चारकोला भितर आख्खें गोंय पयलें स्वतेर जाणा कोल आनी चारकोलाचो टॉपीक कितें आहा तो. बट काब्रालान तुजें नांव कशेंच घेयलें आनी आमकां लोकांक तूं कित्याक गुमराह कोत्ता हो टॉपीक. So please मातसो तूं लायट घालूंक शकता. हे काय कोशा करतो.
This is a serious video or this is a funny video?
It is because we are Goans. Goan understand funny part of it.
Yeah.
But the intensity I can only talk to you because you are the man. It's fine that you're humble and allowed me to sit here. That's your humbleness. But I've been watching you throughout my life. What you have been doing. So seriousness is there. But why this man? Easy. ओ काब्राल म्हणटा तो तेका लायमलायट घेवंक सोदता तुजें नांव घेवन ओ कितें म्हणून सांगूंक सोदता. आय एम लिटल कन्फ्यूज एज अ जनरल पर्सन. सो प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट दिस कोल एंड लेट अस मेक इट क्लियर ऑन द मिडिया. हो कोल हूंय कोणाची बॉडी लासून घायलेलो आहा. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 कोण आपले बाबाकी उबी कोत्ता तो कोल. हो म्हणटा हो काब्राल हो तोहलो कोल आसतलो म्हणटा. बट वॉट यू आर सेइंग इज जस्ट अ कोल. नाउ वॉट इज दिस कोल मिस्ट्री?
See, it has all become very funny because the incident took place last Saturday. When we went to Kerry Beach. We had gone for a picnic to Kerry Beach with the family, and we went for a walk for 1.5 kilometer, one point of the Kerry Beach to the other point.
Yeah.
It's about 1.5 kilometer, and I noticed that the beach had lot of plastic.
Okay.
So my family members, I made them all carry bags, and we all of them. So we walk. I said, don't collect when we are going towards Tiracol, but when we are coming back from Tiracol, then we carry, because otherwise we are carrying when you're going.
Plus carrying when you're coming.
But very good thing at Kerry Beach is that every 15 feet they have got garbage bins.
Yes.
No other beach has got like this. No other beach. So I was very happy because we would not have to carry a lot. So we started from Tiracol carrying all this plastic. There were bottles, syringes, medical bottles, all types of things which were there. We took them all, we put them in the. So we collected about 2 big bags like this of all plastic waste.
Yeah.
So instead of picnic, I made my family do also some environment work. And
Milind was there?
Milind was also there.
Milind
was there, Samir was there. They were all helping because everybody had to. Even my daughter-in-law's father was there. He also was carrying the bags.
Oh my God.
So in between, while we were carrying, we found this. I also had not noticed it, but my daughter-in-law noticed it. Look, she said, look, what is this?
Yeah.
I said, what is this? Then immediately I saw that it is not tar balls.
No.
Tar balls, we know. Tar balls, it doesn't. And it was not coke. Because coke will sink to the bottom.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But it was coal.
Cool.
Now they are saying it is charcoal or whatever it is.
Yeah.
But it was carbon.
Yeah.
It should not have been there.
Exactly.
Because as I said, when we are cleaning up the beach,
Yeah.
then this is a major pollutant.
Right.
And how do you clean? I mean, you can
Yeah.
see from the photographs that it is quite a spread.
Yeah, I personally saw how
Yeah.
it spread what it was
It's
like.
quite a big spread.
At least like rickshaw load kare astalo to.
And I just went to one place and took it up and I held it in my hand.
Yes.
Now, maybe it is charcoal, maybe it is coal, but the point is,
Yeah.
why has it come there?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Now, in my video, I said that it may have come from MPT
Yeah.
because I have seen
Yes.
coal from MPT all over Vasco town. I've got photographs.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
About,
Absolutely.
about 20 microns
Right.
all over people's houses, everywhere I have seen.
Yeah.
And Pollution Control Board has not done anything to remove that coal. Everywhere.
Sorry.
Along the railway tracks, if you go
Yeah.
along the railway tracks up to Kalai,
Yes.
people have collected bags of coal. Bags.
My God.
And taken photographs of how much coal is falling down.
In the house
Along
area.
the tracks. Along the tracks. They are picked up and taken.
Yeah.
Because with that wind, you know, that
Yes.
the particles become smaller and smaller and then they fly.
Yeah.
And then they are also unloading coal directly from the ship onto the barges, which is not permitted.
Oh.
Now this is in the open sea.
Wow. So it's spilling whole over in the ocean.
So what is falling in the
Sea.
ocean, one does not know. And most serious is that there are studies done which have come in the papers last week that all this coal has got mercury.
Yes.
It's got traces of mercury
Yes.
because coal, that type of coal is associated with
Mercury.
mercury. And that mercury is found in the Shenandoah, all along the MPT. This is a scientific study.
It's done.
Scientific study. It has been reported now in Hindustan Times and every newspaper. This is a scientific study, and if you this mercury, it has a property of accumulating.
Absolutely.
What is
Yes,
called
yeah.
bioaccumulation. It will accumulate and become, the quantity will become, it may be below the permissible quantity. After that, it will become more.
More, yeah.
And then when you take
Consume
it,
it.
you have that famous Minamata disease in Japan, where people were consuming fish
Yeah.
which had mercury, and it completely damaged them.
What will the consequences?
They have become complete vegetables. It's finished. Because of brain damage. You cannot do anything with it. Now,
So the newborn babies and all, whoever conceive and all, that
tremendous amount of problems with what is called a special disease called Minamata disease because of the eating of seafood which has got mercury. Now I am not saying that it is, they are saying that this mercury is coming with the coal. It is found in all the oyster population along the MPT port.
yeah.
Generally the mercury is found where it is discharged by a factory and it becomes less towards the sea. But they say in this case we are finding the reverse. The mercury is being generated here and it is moving upward. Now this is a scientific study
Yes.
done by somebody from the NIO and somebody from elsewhere, whatever it is. But it has come in all the newspapers. That for me is more serious.
Yes.
Then whether I have found coal or charcoal on the beach. I have found coal or charcoal on the beach. That is important because I am saying that please keep our beaches clean. Keri Beach is shown in the Coastal Zone Management Plan as CRZ 1. Why? Because the words used are because of its outstanding natural beauty.
Absolutely.
It is the only beach in Goa which has got this title. Outstanding natural beauty.
So
Now if I find 2 bag loads full of plastic
Okay.
waste and I find also this coal all over the place, then obviously I will find it seriously difficult as an environmentalist to accept. So I will try my level best to inform the rest of the world that this is what I have found.
yes.
Now tell me,
Right.
they have sent some pollution control board
Collision
people there.
control. Right.
When the pollution control board has gone, they have gone 4 days after. I have found this on Saturday afternoon. The board has gone there on Monday or Tuesday because there was Saturday, Sunday board will not work.
Yeah.
Then they have got a message from Central Pollution Control Board, please go and visit the beach and find out
Yeah.
whether what is happening there. Now in between the tide has come 4 times, 8 times, because twice 2 times a
Yes.
day. If it is 4
4
days,
times.
it has come 8 times a day and taken all the material. Even if there was plastic, it has taken it and gone to some other beach, who knows.
Yes.
And these people are going there and saying that we have found, we are examining in the laboratory whether it is charcoal, whether it is tar balls, whether it is this, whether it is that. I have not said that it is tar balls.
Yeah.
I have not said that it is coke. I have said that this is coal. Now you are saying it is charcoal which has come from wood. I am saying that it is coal which has come from the ground. But the evidence is gone.
The evidence is gone. Absolutely.
Evidence is gone. 4 days ago, you should have come immediately to this spot. You should have called me. I would have come. We would have taken the samples together.
Absolutely.
Now I do not know where
Where
you
the
have gone, because the beach is 1.5 kilometer. I myself don't know on which side of the beach I found it. It was certainly not on the Tiracol side. It was towards the Keri side, or the end of the Keri beach on this side. So it is stupid of Mr. Cabral to suddenly come out and say that I am misleading. Actually, who is misleading this Goenkars? In every Goenkar in the last few weeks has realized who is misleading whom.
So, मातसो राव सर, हांव वोहोत येयलोलो म्हणटाना मातसो मातसो चार्जिंगाक घालता. सो मोगाल गोंयकारांनो पळयात, सादी गजाल हांव विचारपाक गेलो. पळयात नियाड करात ह्या उतरांचो. आय एम जस्ट टेलिंग इन जनरल फॉर्म, आमचो जनरल पब्लीक पळयात तांकां सांगता हांव. तुमी आयकलां सिटींतल्यान सोजमोलां वो तुजी उतरां कितें भायर सरलें सराच्या तोंडान तुमकां सोजमोलां दिलें म्हाका खबर ना. सादे गजालीन सांगता, हे कोल ओ चारकोल ओ कार्बन कितलो हानी आहा आमच्या गोंयांत ती सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. आतां हो मिनिस्टर हेज्या हातीन पावर आहा आनी दुसऱ्या सुवातेर पयशांनी तो हारला. हेणें आमकां मॅसेज कसली दिवंक जाय आसलेली? ह्या मिनिस्टरान आमकां ह्या सराच्या तोंडानसून आयकूंक येता ही उतरां आमकां दिवंक जाय आसलेली की ना हो मनीस क्लॉड आल्वारीस लोकांक गुमराह करता चाकोल आनी कोला मध्ये. अरे कितेंय सांगूंक सोदता बट लोकांनो, वाय आय एम टेलिंग यू, म्हाका लागलें जेन्ना हांव पळोवंक गेलो हें, तुमकां इतलें सांगता, जेन्ना हांव पळोवंक वाचलें, first of all, this man cannot face all those people who are coming for this electricity. He cannot face anybody relating the real issue, authority, what's happening. तुका attentionूच जाय रे साहेबा, तुका attentionूच जाय. कित्याक ohली निमता? It's like picking on attention. Oh, Claude, म्हाका पळय रे, तूं कितें म्हणटा हें? Sir, it's like a fun. ओयल्यान पळय रे काबराल, ना पळय, म्हजें एक सजेशन आसलें. तूं समज खरोच मिनिस्टर आसलो, तुवें सराक एवॉर्ड दिवंक जाय मरे. कोणें पळय थिंगा ते पेपरार येयलां, कोणें मॉडेल आसून खंय थिंगा उडयलें. ओके, वी रिस्पेक्ट ऑल द कल्चर, बट कोल इज अलाउड सर अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ टू थ्रो इन द वॉटर. आनी कोण म्हणटा खंय बाबाक्यू भाजता, बाबाक्यूचो तो वेस्ट घालून खंय उदकान घायला. अरे एवॉर्ड दिवंक जाय मरे तुमी, एवॉर्ड दिवंक जाय मरे. ताणें सरान फायन आउट केलें म्हणून.
We are not sure whether a dead body was burnt, whether the dead body was burnt in the barbecue. कोण जाणा कितें म्हणटात म्हणून, पण ते म्हणटात ते इट हॅज कम फ्रॉम पीपल फ्रॉम केरी. नाव दे आर ब्लेमिंग द पीपल ऑफ केरी. तांकां तरी दुसरो कोण तरी धरूंक ना, आतां तांकां धरता. ते म्हणटात नो दे हॅव डन सम फ्युनरल फायर ऑर दे हॅव डन सम बार्बिक्यू आनी ते सगळे मागीर भितर उडयला म्हणून. पण तशें करूंक जायना न्हू.
नो आनी आतां हे पळयात लोकांनो,
ashes you can throw. That is a tradition. You can throw ashes in the river, you can throw it on the land, you can throw it in the sea, you can do whatever you want.
But not coal.
But more the remains of the funeral pyre तुम्ही आता उदकान उडयले तर अरे that is an offense.
Okay, हे आता कोण गुमराह करूंक शकता, we can easily understand through our conversation. कोण गुमराह आनी तिसरो मनीस कोण आहा? तुमी हा. Let me make it general. आमी आता सादे गजालीन म्हणटा, we respect the tradition and culture. Ashes you can सबमर्ज करूंक शकता, बट इवन हे कोत्ता रे कोण गुमराह कोत्ता? मिनिस्टर कितें सांगूंक सोदता तूं आतां? सिंपल कमिंग बॅक टू टॉपिक. मिनिस्टर लोकांक ओके, मिनिस्टर आनी फक्त सांगता सर कित्याक आनीक व्हिडिओ पळयलो सर हांवें. आनी आमचो सीएम बाब प्रमोद सावंत भुरग्यांक घेवन आसलो. हांवें ताचो व्हिडिओ पळयलो पळय.
हांवें पळयलो.
आनी ते चेडूं आसलें तेणें.
पळय.
And he's and the children are asking him question and he's saying that एका पडलेलें ना. आनी हे मूवमेंट जाला कोलाचो खूब वर्सां पयलीं. आणि आपणान पोझिशन ही आता घेतला. ही मेन्शन दिस आपणान ही पोझिशन आता घेतला आणि हे कोल हुई खूप वर्सां पयलीं जालो. आपणाक मातसो टायम दी हुई हे कोल बंद करपाक. So as per the rates, sir, and because you are day, night in this, and your big team working, as far I know personally, your big team is working on this. As far I know, this present CM is slowing down the rail gadi, or its work is actually working on full speed. That's what I wanted to know. If it's assuring the children, the future children, is it the truth what he's mentioning?
No, he is only interested in 1922.
1922.
आमची इलेक्शन हा मरे.
Oh, election is the agenda, लोकांक. Election.
For 1.5 years आता कितेंय तरी म्हण. आमी झिरो करतले, आमी हाफ करतले, आमी हे करचे ना, आमी ते करचे ना, आमी रिजायन करतले, आमी दुसरे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन ते सगळे म्हणटाले ते आता. देड वर्साक आता कितेंय म्हणटाले ते. If people are willing to believe this group of politicians from Cabral to Sawant, then we are willing to believe anything.
ओके, त्या टॉपिकाचेर आनी उलया. कोल आमकां नाका हें तेणें सांगलें. मागीर आनी एकले चेडवान ताका क्वेश्चन केलो. बरें, जानवाईचे चेडवान ते चेडवान क्वेश्चन, सर वाय यू हॅविंग दिस डबल ट्रॅकिंग डन. आनी सीएमान बरो आन्सरूय दिलो. पळयात, हे आमी कोल बंद केलो आणि तो हुई ट्रॅकिंग हुई डबल ट्रॅकिंग 80% कंप्लीट जाला. थोडो पर्सेंट उरला हुई तो कंप्लीट करीत आणि कोल पासून बॉन्ड पडीत, कोल पासून बॉन्ड जायत जाल्यार तो ट्रॅक हुई आमी ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनाक उजार करतले. सो what is mean to say is that for enhancement, for the development of the state, is it somewhere sounds like enhancement of the development of the state by cutting on our pristine environment, is how it.
Well, if there is no coal, double track is not required, no.
Absolutely. So
double track is required because you want to move 51 million tons of coal by 2030. This is not disputed. It is in the government documents. That is why now if you put double track, how many trains can you move per day? 24 trains you can move. 24 million tons you can move. Not 51, 24 million tons.
24 million tons will be transported across Goa.
But no, only across railway track.
That is across Goa. That is the railway track is going through the Goa.
Only that part you will be only 24 million tons. You want to bring 51 million tons, but you can take only 24. The remaining where it will go? It will go on the national highway by truck. And number 2, it will go in the rivers by jetty and by barge. So even if you do double tracking, you cannot move 51 million tons. You can only move 24 million tons.
So the rest is left on the.
It has to be taken on the road and in the rivers. That is why they have already Kaida Pamane Tane Ata. All the 6 rivers of Goa, they have taken possession and said they are now national property. National property means Adani's property. So they have taken it, they have taken control. Parshankar has given them the 6 rivers.
So the Parshankar is the same guy who converted coconut trees into grass.
Yes, Lakshmikant Parshankar. He is the one who has signed the file saying that let them take the rivers. So the rivers will be taken, they will transport coal there, and the national highway is being made into 42 meters to allow big trucks to go, because the big trucks cannot go on the existing national highway because it is winding very sharp. It's got lots of things. So they are putting a viaduct. What's the viaduct galtat? Mole National Park, and they want to increase the speed, because if you put viaduct, speed will increase. In a wildlife sanctuary, you must not increase speed. You have to decrease speed. Yeah, and the speed double karta lete. So the what the children are saying is very correct. Why you need double tracking? If you are saying no coal, double tracking is not required.
वो point मासो clear कोत्ता लोकांक कितें सांगूंक सोदता, हो रोड वायडन करूंक सोदता पळय लोकांनी. रोड वायडन करून हुंय हिंगा आनी थिंगा न्हू गांवांनी सोडून दी. आमच्या प्रिस्टीन एनवायरमेंट मोले नॅशनल पार्कान तो रोड वायडन करून म्हणजे कितें स्पीडीन वचपाक गाडयो कसल्यो कोलाच्यो म्हणजे ओवरफ्लो जावन पयले पोल्युशन क्रिएट करा. स्पीडीन गेल्ल्या कारणान कितें एक्चुअली अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ सर सांगता की ती एक्चुअली तो पळय पाथ हा ते रानांसून पळय रस्तो एक्चुअली स्पीड हिंगा लो करूंक जाय कित्याक जानवरां धांवता आजू बाजू जानवरां धांवता तेंकाय मारून हो पॉयंट कितें जाता हो पॉयंट एक पयलो स्पील करात कोल आनी निमणी झाडां आमच्या जानवरांकूय मारपाक
यू कॅनॉट डू तेका तशें करूंक जायना कायदो प्रमाणे करूंक जायना तो कायदो आतां एकदम स्ट्रिक्ट आहा की वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरीच्यान तशें डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट तशें व्हरूंक जायना
सो ओके वायंडिंग अप कित्याक लोक बरे इंट्रस्टेड आहा कित्याक सगळ्यांक कोशियस नाय इफ आनी आतां आमकां दिसता सर कित्याक तुमी पळयता खूब लोक जागृत जाला एवरी पर्सन इज कमिंग ऑन द रोड टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर एनवायरमेंट ते आमचो अस्मिताय आमची हेरिटेज तांकां कळोन येयला लोकांक आनी स्पेशली हांव रिक्वेस्ट डायस्पोराक म्हजो कित्याक तेंचे काळीज आनी तेंचें मन सदांच गोंयान आहा बट हेल्पलेस आहा कित्याक ते जोडून गेले 25-40 वर्सां थिंगा आहा तेंची फामील थिंगा वाडल्या बट दे वॉन्ट टू डू समथींग बॅक सो but here is the situation where I want to present to them that these people are our brothers and sisters, so-called ministers, and they hold the authority and they hold the powers in their hand. But what do you think? What makes them? Why cannot they understand these simple things?
Who, the ministers?
Yes.
No, it is not required. See, the ministers, no minister in Goa and no minister in the central government is taking any decision today. All decisions are taken by the Prime Minister's office. They are only signing on the files. They don't take any decision as far as their ministry is concerned. What is happening in Goa in relation to these 3 Delhi projects, I call them Delhi projects, all this is decided by people in Delhi. Mr. Pramod Sawant has got no influence about what is going to happen at MPT because MPT is an independent state. They can do whatever they want, what they bring, what they don't bring. MPT can do whatever it wants. Mr. Sawant's words are of no use whatsoever. If he is saying it is going to come down 50%, 0%,
Nothing.
it is not possible at all. If anybody, as I said, believes this, they will believe anything. Goa is going back to the control of Delhi full scale. They have taken the rivers. They are going to take all the coastal areas. They have already taken over many of the, the other route like national highways. We had about 256 national highways. They have increased all the village roads and made them into national highways. Now we have got officially something like 650 national highways kilometers in Goa.
My God.
So just by notification. घालतात gazettein एक this village road हा दुसरो this national highways आलो. The road from Velsau, the inside road that goes to Asola, Betul and all that through Madhura, that's a national highway. It has become national highway. So this is what is happening. The whole of Goa is being taken over. It is under occupation. And why it is under occupation? Because you cannot have democracy when you are occupying. After Israel-Palestine tension zala no, where Israel comes inside and occupies Palestine, then they come with the guns. So there is no democracy, there is no high court, there is no newspaper, there is no land acquisition act, there is no environment. Direct attack. Direct attack जाते सगळे घेताले आणि त्यांनी केला तशें. They have already taken the rivers. People don't realize they have already taken the rivers. Now they want to take the wildlife sanctuaries, they want to take the Western Ghats. And they will all, these 3 infrastructure projects are actually going to take the coal and rub everybody's face with black powder wherever they are along the road track, along the railway track, wherever it is, they will have to suffer. Because this is the Delhi project, it is not a Goa project. They say that this is in national interest. We are saying Goa, the survival of Goa is also a national interest. Survival of wildlife is a national interest. It is a constitutional obligation. So don't come out with this rubbish arguments that this is not, this is in national interest and that is not. I am also in national interest. Being a citizen of this country, I am also in national interest. Every Goenka is in national interest.
So, the intensity, Ipon, what is the hope, sir?
we are going to defeat all those three projects.
Absolutely.
And only people power
People.
will defeat all these projects. People power. What is happening now in Chandor, in all these other places with the MLAs and all that, that is the only way the government will come to its senses. And therefore, if you want a message to go to all our people Goenkas abroad, tell them to come for all the demonstrations. They all their brothers, uncles, aunties who are in all these different villages along in Salset. Tell them, phone them up from Dubai, Kuwait, Canada, wherever. Tell them, "Are Baba, तुम्ही किती करतात? कोविडान चुकी घरा बसल्यात न्हू. आता बेश्टे मास्क घाला, social distance करा आणि मिटिंगा वचात. And you join all of them. Ask all Philip Neri, all these ministers, this Carlos, all these fellows. Ask them, what are you going to do now before the next election 22? Are you willing to stop these projects and give in writing that these three projects are not in the interest of Goa or Goans? If you do not give, you are out.
Out.
You are out.
पळय सिटीजन आयका आतां हिंगा कंक्लूड केला आमी आतां एका वराची मिटिंगेन कंक्लूड केला एकूच गजाल हे मिनिस्टर तुमच्या दारार येतले तुमचे कडेन भीक मागतले करून बाबडे हे आसतले ह्यो गजाल्यो 3 प्रोजेक्टाचेर तुमी अपोज आहात हो तेंचो मेमोरेंडम सारको तुमच्या फुडल्यान तोंडा फुडल्यान लावंक जाय की आमी ह्या 3 प्रोजेक्टाक सो कॉल्ड डेव्हलपमेंट विच इज डिझास्टर आनी हानी कोता आमच्या गोंयांक हेका आमी सपोर्ट करना ही आपली सिग्नेचर ही उतरां समज म्हणटा जाल्यार ह्यो नियाळ तुमी करात लोकांनो तुमी करात तुमकां सांगपाचें काम कोत्तात आनी मागता आय एम रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल द डायस्पोरा वन्स अगेन फ्रॉम हंबल रिक्वेस्ट यू कॅन सी there are many eminent activists, environmentalists, socialists, culturists working tirelessly to protect our authenticity of Goa. Come and support. Come and support. And very soon, as I'm going to just announce, I was just talking to Sir, that very soon, Sir, to your team, I just want to congratulate you because I meet people, तुका म्हाका त्रास पडटा खूबदां कित्याक तूं एकदम बिजी आसता आनी हांव टायम पास करता खूबदां येवन which is not valuable हें न्हू but to a team form केल्या and that team is really growing in Goa and we are still आणि तूं एक नवो ब्रांचूय ओपन करपाचो आहा which you are still working, that's what I heard, for the future of Goa. You want to build a team for the future of Goa and हे आमी तुमकां थोड्याच उतरून सांगपाच्या दिसांनी that just wanted to tell the people also that if you really your heart and mind wants to do something, I know there's many barricades like खूब youth हा खूब आमचो लोक हा जो कामाक आहा तांकां कितें करूंक जाय बट कितें करूं म्हाकाय फोन मारता म्हाका मेसेज येता गोंया पासून फेली तूं एकदम बरें काम करता पळय हा तो लोकांक सांगूंक सोदता म्हाका म्हणटा सर फेली तूं एकदम बरें काम करता कितें अरे बाबा ना हांव फकत उलयतां आय एम नॉट डुईंग एनी वर्क लेट मी टेल यू look people look I just want to show you all this is the reality okay ह्यो सगल्यो फायली पळोवशी तुमी ह्यो सगल्यो फायली पळोवश्यो ह्यो डिझायनींग धरूंक ना these are all the issues the burning issues of Goa and you should understand the intensity when I'm talking to Claude Alvarez sir that please enough of entertainment. Many times I joke, that is the reason you ask me sir whether it's a joke or whether it's serious. It's very 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 serious. It's all depend how you all perceive it. तुम्ही खंयच्या नदरेन हे पळोवंक शकता आमचे कॉन्वर्सेशन जेन्ना हे फिगर्स आनी जेन्ना ही रियलिटी सर सांगता बिकॉज दीस कॉल्ड विजनरी म्हणजे कितें फ्युचर पळोवंक शकता आनी ही गजाल घडोवंक शकता अनलेस एंड अंटील आमी आमचो पांव दवरना सेव करपाक आमचें गोंय तेच म्हजो मतलब आसलो ह्या कॉन्वर्सेशन बद्दल सर थँक्स अ लॉट आनी जेवपाच्या टायमार तुवें म्हाका टायम दिलो नॉर्मल अदरवायज म्हाका बॉब मात्ते दिसो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच
वय हांव वयता घरा
थँक्यू सर